7 vitamins to stop acid reflux. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, is a common digestive disorder that occurs when stomach acid flows backward into the esophagus. The esophagus is the tube that carries food from your mouth to your stomach. Normally, a ring-like muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, prevents stomach acid from moving up into the esophagus. When this muscle doesn't function properly, acid reflux can occur. Acid reflux can cause a range of symptoms, including heartburn, regurgitation, chest pain, difficulty swallowing, chronic cough, and a sour taste in the mouth. The most common cause of acid reflux is a weakened or malfunctioning lower esophageal sphincter. The most common cause of acid reflux is a weakened or malfunctioning lower esophageal sphincter. Certain factors can contribute to this weakening, including obesity, pregnancy, hiatal hernias, and certain lifestyle choices, like smoking and a high-fat diet. Certain foods and drinks, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, chocolate, caffeine, and alcohol, can trigger or worsen symptoms. Some vitamins and supplements can help manage acid reflux symptoms and reduce the risk of complications. Now that we understand the causes of acid reflux better, let's look at the vitamins that will help stop it from recurring. First up is vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for overall health, and it plays a role in various bodily functions, including immune system regulation and maintaining bone health. Research has suggested a potential association between low vitamin D levels and an increased risk of developing GERD, or experiencing more severe symptoms. Studies have noted that individuals with GERD tend to have lower levels of vitamin D in their blood, compared to individuals without GERD. Vitamin D plays a role in muscle function, including the muscles that control the lower esophageal sphincter. The LES is a ring of muscle at the bottom of the esophagus that prevents stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. If the LES doesn't function properly, it can lead to acid reflux. Vitamin D deficiency might impair the function of the LES, potentially contributing to GERD. Vitamin D may influence the composition and balance of the gut microbiome. An imbalance in gut bacteria has been associated with various digestive conditions, including GERD. Therefore, vitamin D might indirectly affect GERD through its impact on the gut microbiome. Vitamin D also controls your calcium levels, and calcium plays an important role in the function of the sphincters. If you're deficient in vitamin D, you may also be low in calcium. Let's take a closer look at calcium. While not a vitamin, calcium is an essential mineral that can help regulate the lower esophageal sphincter and prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. Esophageal. Calcium is important for overall muscle and nerve function in the body, including the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. Adequate calcium intake can support the proper functioning of these muscles, including those involved in the digestive process. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods are good sources of calcium. Vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium from the digestive tract into the bloodstream. Without adequate vitamin D, the body cannot efficiently absorb the calcium it needs, even if the diet is rich in calcium. Both vitamin D and vitamin K2 play crucial roles in calcium metabolism. And deficiencies in either of these vitamins can impact calcium absorption and utilization in the body. To support overall bone health and prevent potential issues related to calcium metabolism, it is essential to ensure you have adequate levels of both vitamin D and vitamin K2. These vitamins work synergistically to optimize calcium absorption, utilization, and distribution in the body. Moving on to our next vitamin, we'll learn more about vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, can help with the metabolism of amino acids. Amino acids are important for maintaining a healthy esophagus and preventing damage from acid reflux. Adequate vitamin B6 is necessary for a properly functioning immune system. If the esophagus is exposed to stomach acid due to acid reflux, a strong immune response can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Amino acids are essential for tissue repair and regeneration. If the esophagus experiences damage from acid reflux, the availability of amino acids can be important for repairing the damaged tissue. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structural support to various tissues, including the lining of the esophagus. Adequate collagen production can help maintain the integrity of the esophageal lining. Vitamin B6 is necessary for the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters can play a role in regulating muscle tone, including the lower esophageal sphincter. A well-functioning lower esophageal sphincter helps prevent the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus. Next we'll look at vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient, with a crucial role in maintaining the health of various tissues in the body, including those in the digestive tract. Vitamin A is important for the health of epithelial tissues, which line the surfaces of organs, including the esophagus and stomach. These tissues act as protective barriers, and vitamin A helps maintain their integrity. Vitamin A also plays a role in the health of mucous membranes throughout the digestive tract. These membranes produce mucus, which lubricates and protects the gastrointestinal lining from irritation and damage. Vitamin A is also known for its role in supporting the immune system. A healthy immune system helps defend against infections and inflammation in the digestive tract. Vitamin A has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the esophagus and stomach lining, which can potentially provide relief from conditions associated with inflammation, such as gastritis. While vitamin A is essential for digestive health, it's important to note that excessive vitamin A intake can lead to toxicity and adverse effects. It's generally best to obtain your vitamin A from a balanced diet that includes foods rich in vitamin A, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and liver. Vitamin E is another great vitamin for acid reflux. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can play a role in protecting various tissues in the body from oxidative stress, including the esophagus. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, which can cause oxidative damage to cells and tissues, including those in the esophagus. This protection can be beneficial in reducing the risk of cellular damage and inflammation. Vitamin E supports the overall health of mucous membranes, which line the esophagus and other parts of the digestive tract. Healthy mucous membranes help protect against irritation and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E may also have a role in modulating the body's inflammatory response, which can potentially provide relief from conditions like esophagitis, which involves inflammation of the esophagus. You can incorporate vitamin E into your diet through various foods, such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, vegetable oils, and fortified cereals. Next, let's explore vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, is an essential nutrient that plays a significant role in various bodily processes, including tissue repair and cell division. Folate is essential for the synthesis of DNA and RNA, which are critical for cell repair and growth. This process is important for maintaining the health of all tissues, including those in the digestive tract. Folate also supports the immune system, which plays a role in the body's response to inflammation and infection. A healthy immune system can help the body recover from damage caused by acid reflux or other digestive issues. Folate is involved in the health of mucous membranes, including those lining the digestive tract. Healthy mucous membranes can provide protection against irritation and inflammation. Vitamin B9 is generally obtained through a balanced diet that includes foods like leafy greens, legumes, fortified cereals, and citrus fruits. If you're dealing with acid reflux, it's important to understand that managing acid reflux typically involves a combination of approaches. Avoiding trigger foods and beverages that can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, or that increase stomach acid production is often the first step. Common trigger foods include spicy and acidic foods, caffeine, chocolate, and fatty or fried foods. Raising the head of your bed by about 6 to 8 inches can help gravity keep stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus during sleep. Eating smaller, more frequent meals, and avoiding lying down immediately after eating can help prevent acid reflux symptoms. Losing excess weight can reduce the pressure on the stomach and LES, helping to reduce the risk of acid reflux. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can also help manage acid reflux. Remember that a balanced diet, that includes a variety of vitamins and minerals from whole foods, is usually the best approach to support overall health and manage acid reflux symptoms. Additionally, lifestyle changes such as dietary modifications and maintaining a healthy weight are often the primary strategies for managing acid reflux. We hope that you found this information helpful, and that you have a better understanding of how vitamins can play a role in the management of acid reflux. Please remember that the material in this video is for informational and educational purposes. If you have any medical concerns, please seek medical attention. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. We wish you the greatest health and happiness.